Hey guys, it's Steve from stevesprofitsecrets.com, and I just wanted to share this new course that's coming out with you, and it's called T-shirt Profit Empire. And this is such a good business model. I have experience with this. You can make a lot of money with it. It's a very easy business to get into. And this is something that I really think you should check out, and I thought I'd just talk about it real quick and kind of show you what you're going to get if you decide to invest in this course. So again, it's called T-shirt Profit Empire. And what you're going to get is you're going to get a full course on how to make money with print-on-demand merchandise. Now, if you don't know what print-on-demand merchandise is, it's a very simple business model. Basically, you create designs. You can do it many different ways. You don't have to be a designer to do it. That's the cool part about it. And once you make your designs, you can put them on all kinds of different merchandise, from t-shirts to hoodies, to mugs, to bags, to even shoes, socks. I mean, there's all kinds of different merchandise you can create, and you can sell it many different ways. You can sell it on your own website. You can connect to big marketplaces like Amazon and Etsy. I've had a lot of success with Etsy that I'll tell you about here in a minute. I'll show you. But this is for newbies and even people that are looking for an extra revenue stream. This is a great business model. So this product is coming out, and it looks like you're going to get a lot with it. You're going to get over 4,000 print-on-demand designs, which is, if you're just getting started, this will give you a jump start, and you can take these designs and do whatever you want with them. You're also going to get ad templates. So one way to sell these types of designs is with Facebook and some of the social platforms. So he's going to give you ad templates that right out of the box you can sell stuff with. And you're also going to get fonts. So a lot of t-shirt designs especially are font based, and this is going to give you a jump start on creating those designs. And some of the best selling, actually some of my best campaigns are just simple text designs on t-shirts, believe it or not. So this is a great way. This is easy, great way to get started making t-shirts. And then also you're going to get just a full course, full tutorials on how to, step by step make money with print on demand. And you're also going to get done for you email templates. So one of the goals is to build an email list of people in any niche, any business you do. You want to try to build an email list, but he's going to give you some email templates to help you build your business. And then he also gives you some ads targeting. So you can target with Facebook ads, you can target on different interests. He gives you some of the most popular niches, such as pets, fitness, and he gives you what you need to do to set up the targeting on the ads, which is pretty cool. And then, so that's the main course if you buy it. And then also he has some upsells. You don't have to buy the upsells, but on a lot of these courses, the upsells, it just makes it easier for you to get results, and it makes it quicker for you to get results. So if you buy the first upsell, you're going to get sales letters that'll help you with your business. And you can also get the rights to use these however you want. And then there's another upsell that has to do with email marketing messages. You can use it in whatever niche you want, it looks like. So this is a great business model, and the price is right on this thing. I would jump in and check it out. And if you're new to print on demand, or you've done it and you want to kind of scale it up, what you're getting, with all the designs he's given you, the templates, the fonts, the other tools he's given you to really be successful with this business. Now, how successful can you be with this business? So this is just a side. I have multiple streams of income, but this is just a side business for me. But I wanted to show you, I have been selling on Etsy and Amazon for a couple of years now, primarily on Etsy. And I don't do much with it. I mean, in my spare time, I will create designs, and I usually kind of base it around the holidays. I ramp up, all the major holidays. The end of the year is the biggie where you can make the most money, but I just want to give you kind of a taste, kind of an example of what's possible with this, with just little effort. And this is my course. But this is an example of my Etsy dashboard from actually end of last year, and you can see the type of revenue that was generated in just 1 month. And I think at the time that this was taken, I probably had 400 designs. I can't remember exactly, but and it's kind of the 80-20 rule, right? You're going to have certain designs that are going to make the most of your money, but the cool part about this business model is you can kick out these designs very quickly and test stuff, and it doesn't cost you hardly any money at all to list and test these designs out. So, especially if you can make the designs yourself. You don't have to make the designs yourself. You can actually outsource it. You can outsource the whole process if you want to, but the easiest way to make the most money just in the least amount of time is just to kick out very simple designs. But anyway, this kind of gives you an example of the kinds of numbers you can generate on a daily basis coming in. Have $100, $200 days pretty easy, pretty consistently, and pretty quickly. You just have to put a little bit of effort in and create designs and test them out. So I wanted to give you kind of an example of what's possible, because I'm only going to promote business models and things that I believe in and I think are legitimate, and this is definitely a legitimate business model. So check this out. Check out T-Shirt Profit Empire, like I said. So if you buy T-Shirt Profit Empire through this link, through my link that you see below this video or on this page, I'm going to give you full access to my course, which is POD Quick Profits. And like I said, I showed you what's possible. And I tell you what, I'm going to give you the front end, and I'm actually going to give you the upsells, which the upsells give you extra resources and how to scale the business. So there's a really high value on this course. So buy T-Shirt Profit Empire. As a bonus, I'm gonna give you full access to my POD Quick Profits course, which primarily shows you how to make money with Etsy, and also with the scaling secrets, it shows you how to list on other marketplaces as well. So go ahead and check this out. It's a good business model. I think you can make money with it, and I hope you take action. And if you do, I will see you on the inside of my course as well, POD Quick Profits. Take care.